Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I'm Sir Shakirin. Today we are going to continue our topic for the computer science approach in problem solving, and we are still in the topic problem analysis, and we move to the next subtopic is about the loops in programming, or how we are going to determine what is a loops in a problem analysis. Okay. In computer science, a loop is a programming structure that repeats a sequence of instruction until a specific condition is met. Programmers use loop to cycle through value at sum of numbers, repeat function, and many other things. In a simple word, we can understand that this loop is used by the programmer. It's a method used by a programmer to loop the sequence of instruction. And the instruction in the programming can be shown through the problem statement given. Okay. Let's look to our first example here. Example number 10. You can refer to your notes. We are look to the problem statement for the looping, or the other name is repetition. Find area of circle for 1000 times. Focus to the word for here. The for here show that the process of area of circle means the calculation for area of circle will be going to be repeat for 1000 times. This 1000 show the count process. Means that after the 1000 times, the repetition will stop. Okay, let's look to the I, P, and O for this problem statement. If you see here, the input here is radius, and the process is calculate area of circle for 1000 times, and the output here is area of a circle for 1000 times. Why we use radius as an input here? It is because to find the calculate area of circle, we are refer to the math formula of area of circle is equal to pi times r square. And in maths, we know that this r is a radius. To proceed the process of area of circle, the computer need to receive a data radius, or can be shown as the input here. And the calculate for the process area of a circle is going to be repeat for 1000 times. That's why the output here shows that the area of circle is the value that going to be calculated, and it's going to repeat for 1000 times for the output. Let's move to the example 11. The problem statement here shows that the area of x numbers of square. I'm asking you now, what is the process here? Think to find the process first. The process here is area of square. The process here, we are going to calculate area of square. But the question now, how many times? How many times this statement going to be calculated? It is s. S means unknown. This can be any time. That's why we look to the input, process, and output. The input here shows that we need to input x and length. And then the single process is to calculate area of square. But how many times? 4 x times. And the output is area of a square 4 x time. The question is now, why x and why length for the input? Let me discuss now. The x here is something that the computer don't know, because if you look back to the problem statement and we compare to the example number 10, in the example number 10, the area of circle is calculated for 1000 times. This is a fixed count value because it's shown by the problem statement. But in this problem statement, the count process is S, is unknown. That's why we need to input it to make sure the looping can be repeated for the X time. And now, why is length? The length is because to find the area of square, refer to the math formula. Area of square can be shown by r square, or r can be, area of square can be shown as L times L, or L square. This L needs to be input here to ensure the process can calculate area of a square. And the output is referred to the what is going to be processed here. It must be consistent, like I mentioned before. The area of square for x is going to be output area of square for x time. Okay class, that's all for this video series. We're going to meet in another video. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Assalamualaikum and bye.